Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick drugstore tutorial on how to minimize the appearance of breakouts. I'll be starting off with a serum. I'm using like this Teatree and AHA complex that helps with breakouts because about this time I was really breaking out, as you can see. I'm then gonna be going in with a light layer of moisturizer and finishing off with sunscreen because you better be staying hydrated and being protected from the sun. If you're breaking out like me, fret not. Acne comes and goes. It'll probably get better within the next couple of weeks, so don't worry. Using this ETUDE House sunscreen, I love how light and airy it is, and it really does mattify my skin throughout the day and makes makeup last a lot longer on my face. Use the leftover sunscreen and rub them against your hands. Protect your hands, by the way. I was a bit too skeptical of this foundation by Essence. Maybe it's because due to the claims of it being like super mattifying, and I didn't want anything that was super mattifying. I was pretty surprised of the radiant matte finish that it left, and also the coverage and how well it blended on my skin. It definitely covered up the redness around my mouth and my nose. But would I say this is my favorite foundation? Probably not. Needless to say, I was pretty surprised how well it blended out with the brush and also like this beauty blender, and I felt like it gave enough coverage for my skin. Next, I'm gonna conceal with my Essence Camouflage Concealer as well as contour with my ETUDE House Contour Stick. I don't want to be doing anything too much with contour. I'm just going to keep it light and fresh and very natural. Now we really have to get into this concealer by Essence. It did camouflage a lot of my, breakouts and all that, but I really did not like the smell. I found the smell too off-putting for my taste. It did, however, give me the coverage that I needed. Nothing too heavy, just enough to, cover up the redness. Nothing too drastic here, but I'm just gonna do my brows off camera before moving on to the rest of my face. I love this tint by Lily by Red. I think it just provides the most natural coverage, and you can build it up, and it doesn't feel super heavy on the lip, and you can also use it as a cheek blush too. The scent isn't off-putting, and I love using it as a blush because it does give a slight luminous finish, and it also gives appropriate coverage on your cheeks without being clownish. I honestly love how natural this looks. I've set my face with powder, and I'm going to set my contour with bronzer, and I love this bronzer because it brings warmth to my face. It definitely makes me look like I'm in the sun. I love the scent and how smooth it glides onto my skin. I'll also be bringing life into my eyes by defining them with bronzer, just giving them a little bit of warmth and, something for people to look at. So this is my easy drugstore tutorial and low-key a drugstore makeup review. If you've learned anything or if you like what you saw, do click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.